Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Jungle Scout, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Jungle Scout affiliate link? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, if you're looking for a Jungle Scout discount affiliate link, check my video description. I'll try to leave mine there. But why would you need your Jungle Scout affiliate link anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you recently signed up for Jungle Scout's affiliate program and you want to go ahead and start sharing your affiliate link, but you're not sure how to find it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled in your PartnerStack dashboard. PartnerStack is the company that handles the affiliates for Jungle Scout. And you want to go to this website, dash.partnerstack.com/home. Well, it's kind of a long URL, so just check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. Once you're in the Jungle Scout platform for the affiliates, what you're going to need to do is just scroll down until you see your programs. So once you're here in the your program section, you want to click on Jungle Scout. If you happen to be an affiliate for a lot of different programs, then you want to go ahead and just use the search bar and just type in Jungle Scout and then click on this one. It's a black and orange logo called JS. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see some analytics about your affiliate link with Jungle Scout. But in order to get your affiliate link, you want to scroll down until you see this section here called Your Referral Link. So by default, you're going to automatically see your affiliate link here, and you can just click on this purple copy button, and your Jungle Scout affiliate link is now copied to your clipboard. If you want to create a custom link, you can go ahead and click on this purple Create Custom Links button. Okay, so once you're in there, then you can go ahead and create a custom link by clicking on this purple button. So you can go ahead and put a link title, link description, customize the URL, and then customize the link destination. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find your Jungle Scout affiliate link, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.